You know, few things are as unattractive as shower walls that are scuffed and moldy. One of the better ways to deal with that is to install a shower surround. It consists of 3 panels, one for the back, one for each end, and 2 trim strips. The first thing we'll want to do is remove the plumbing fixtures. With the panel cut to size, I begin measuring the wall location of the fittings. I mark the location for the faucet, the shower valve, and the shower arm. Using a hole saw, I bore holes for the fixtures. I do a test fit to make sure that everything aligns properly. I draw a pencil line around the top and side edges. Now it's time to put our panels up permanently. Okay, well, it's time for the moment of truth. Using the flat of my hand, I press the panel firmly into the adhesive. With the left panel up, I move to the right panel. This is J channel, and we're going to slip this over the front edge of the panels to give them a more finished look. Apply the adhesive to the back wall. Press the panel firmly into the adhesive. With the surround installed, it's time to replace the plumbing fixtures. So if you want the look of tile without the expense, then a shower surround like this just could be the answer. Best of all, it is a project you can do yourself.